Okay, I just read some information in reference to Lyft. They're coming out with a new panic button, or a panic button for the customers, and also giving sexual harassment training for the drivers. Men. I haven't heard of the women sexually harassing the women or males. Not that it can't happen, but I haven't heard that. But, oh my gosh. When I read this, I'm like, are you serious right now? So, men, you can't keep control. What's going on? What do we women have to do to make you not sexually harass us? Maybe look like me? I don't know. What? Should we wrap ourselves up? Smell like we came out of the swamp? Or what? What do we as women need to do so that you men will not desire to have us in a sexual way? We can't show no skin. I mean, like, what is it going to take? What's going on? Do we now need more male gay drivers as to feel more safe as female passengers? What is going on? Yeah, there are a lot of beautiful women out here, but that doesn't mean that they want you. They might not see you as handsome. They may even talk soft. That's just how they talk. They're not trying to allure you. Men, what's going on? Do you live somewhere where you don't see beautiful women? That doesn't give you the right to take from us if we're not willing to give. Who gives you the right? Do we as women go around looking at men with their pants hanging down and rape them? What does it take? They said it was 103 for Uber, I believe, and 18 for Lyft. What does it take, guys? Like, what is going on? What's wrong with you that you feel the need to take? That's the problem. What's wrong with you? Really, seriously. What is wrong with you men who feel that you have to take that is not given? Man, that's crazy. And a lot of these rideshare companies, they're putting things in place to protect the customers. The men who this shoe fits, you making it bad for a lot of drivers who are nowhere near like you. Nowhere near like you. First, they respect themselves and they respect everybody else. But what gives you the right or the kahunas to think that you can take what is not given to you? What gives you that right? Should we castrate you for this issue? Will that help you? I don't know. I don't know what will help you. Can you help me help you? Do we need to castrate you to make it be okay for us as women? And I understand all men are not like that. I understand that. But I'm talking to those who are like this. What does it take? What does it take for women, all women, no matter how they look, to feel safe in your presence. That's the question of the day. There's enough going on in this world that we as women should feel totally uncomfortable and threatened when we get into an Uber or Lyft ride, car. That should be the last thing on our mind. He may rape me. He may try to rape me. That should be it should not even be on our mind, but definitely should be the last thing on our mind. What should be on our mind is, I hope we don't get into an accident. I declare. Man, I declare. I do declare.